Welcome. Ooh. Right, welcome to all my new subscribers and old. Channel's growing okay. Got 50 subscribers. Woo! Anyway, just a quick update. The last video took me 3 days to film and edit and all that sort of stuff. And it didn't turn out that great. I'm not that happy with it. But anyway, the other stick in that video, my neighbour's son, he wants a walking stick for, I think it's his father-in-law, maybe. Anyway, so that's the next project. I think it's going to be about a week before I can do that and upload it. I've got to get in my garage. My wife keeps saying, it's not a garage, it's not a garage. You never put the car in it, so it can't be a garage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend a week moving stuff around and making it more of a workshop. It's not that camera friendly at the moment. I struggle to get the tripod because it's quite a big tripod in places. So I'm going to move the lathe so I can get the tripod behind the lathe. I've got to build a little studded wall. Every workshop has got a place where you can put crap to store. Mine hasn't, so I've got to put a little wall up so I can hide some stuff away from the camera. Yeah, and then when I've done that, I'm going to do a little tour of the workshop. So, a bit of hard work, moving stuff around. I'm going to go through all the machinery and the tools and stuff. If you're into that sort of thing, you can watch it. If not, then that's up to you. But yeah, so it's just a quick update, and keep watching. That's if you enjoy it.